Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. Look what I got for you today. This is a real treat. We got a notchback 91 Mustang LX and under the hood, Coyote power, baby. Look at the paint work on this car. This car was completely apart, a lot of custom parts on it. Now we're gonna get the hood up, show you that Coyote. Then we're gonna put it up on the lift. We're gonna show you the bottom side of it. She is absolutely gorgeous and everybody knows how hot these notchbacks are, man. What a cool car. Coyote power under the hood, so she's making a bunch of horsepower. It's got a Get-Trag 6-speed manual transmission. We got great looking chrome wheels here. Of course, disc brakes all the way around. She is looking absolutely beautiful. Then of course, my favorite color interior, black. And then it's got a little bit of the gray in there also, accents. Everything looking sweet on this baby. Look at this beautiful car, man. They did such a great job putting this thing together. It's got the race seats in it. Of course, it's got stock seat belts in it. There's seat belts in the rear also. Just everything about this car looking absolutely gorgeous. And did I mention it's got a Coyote under the hood? Then 6 speeds too, baby. So she's got some giddy up and go. As you look down the side, nice and straight. We got big rubber on the back. We got dual exhaust coming out the back. We got great looking paint. The paint on the bumpers is also looking sweet. You know, always got to check out those bumpers, these ones that have these rubber bumpers. You see the batteries mounted in the trunk here. Just look how nice and neat everything is. You see the gutter system around here. They repainted all that also. Bottom side of the deck lid also repainted, and even the light works in here. Looks like it's got a backup camera too. You look down that passenger side, straight as can be, and what a blast to drive, man, I tell you what. Of course, everybody knows I like my Mustangs, and this thing was a blast to drive. Absolutely gorgeous. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever, so that means we own this little notchback, and you can call Tom anytime you'd like at 248-974-9513. He'll tell you all about this beautiful little Mustang. All right, guys, we're going to shoot this beautiful little car indoors today because it's nasty outside. I've already told y'all about the Coyote under the hood, and we're going to get this thing up on the lift. We're going to show you what the bottom side looks like. The bottom side's actually gorgeous. I mean, you can see the whole interior here is in beautiful shape. It's got an aftermarket radio in it. We've got the 6-speed. I mean, just everything about the car is just absolutely cool as can be. She's beautiful inside, outside, under the hood. Guys, we're gonna check this car all out. We're gonna be able to tell you everything you need to know. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. Now, if you want to come in and visit us, we would love to have you. We don't get a lot of visitors because most of our cars get sold sight unseen on the internet. So please, hop on an airplane if you have to, drive in on a Saturday, whatever. Just call Tom at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway. All right, we're underneath this baby now, and you can see how nice and clean it is under here. Look right up in here. Look how nice and clean everything is. Now you see these cars a lot that are all messed up and toyed with. This thing is definitely a professional job. You see the tank looks like it's new. The exhaust is definitely new. The shocks are new. We got the 8.8 rear end in here, 331 gear, limited slip, and then this extra heavy duty cover right here. These two bolts put extra pressure on the main caps that gives it a lot more strength. We got adjustable upper control arms here. We got a great big old aluminum drive shaft here. We got Flowmaster mufflers. You can see the fuel lines going front to back, looking good. We got frame ties here. Look at these floorboards. When was the last time you saw a 91 Mustang with floorboards that looked that nice and clean? These ties are tied into the floor here. They're welded in up here. We got a custom cross member here for this Getrag 6-speed. We got great looking headers. We got O2 sensors in the headers. And then of course we got our Coyote power up front. We got our aftermarket subframe here, all fully adjustable, looking good. Rack and pinion steering here. It's got the struts up front. We got disc brakes up front. I forgot to look in the back, but yeah, they are drums in the back. And the guys will pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. You can see the wheelhouses look good. The core support looks good. We got big electric fans on this big aluminum radiator, keeping it cool. The frame is in beautiful shape here. You can see the paintwork on the car looking sweet. Man, that red is just jumping out at you. And then look at the chrome on the Mustang wheels. Man, that chrome looks good. We got 245 17s. Working your way down the side there, there's that 5.0 emblem, but it stands for Coyote in this one. Now we've got great looking bottom side of the rocker. You can see all those factory spot welds. Then out back here, we've got 275 17s, and again on some beautiful wheels. Well, let's get under the hood and check out that Coyote. All right, under the hood here, this is where it all happens right here. We got the Gen 1 Coyote. It's got the stock ECU in it. You can see fully adjustable struts here. You can see that the firewall's all nicely painted. The inner wheelhouses are all nicely painted. The bottom side of the hood's all nicely painted. We got Hydraboost on the brakes. That gives it power brakes. Really cool. You see how they mounted the regulator there for the fuel. I mean, it looks like Mr. Ford himself put this Coyote in here. He would be proud of this baby. Of course, here's that aluminum radiator I saw on the bottom. You can see the power steering. It does have AC compressor down there. I mean, just everything about this car is cool, guys. Take this to any car show, pop the hood. You're going to draw a crowd wherever you go. She's a notchback. She's got a Coyote under the hood. It's got a Getrag 6-speed. Guys, give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.